Welcome back. I don't know if I got into when I ripped apart the dash, changing the pollen filter, and so you've got to take apart the top part of the dash. I figured for my wife that the dash was all scratched up and in a bit of a rough shape, so I'm going to clean it up and spray it. I'm going to spray it kind of a satin flat black, so when the sun hits the dash, it doesn't blind her. That's what I'm doing right now. Gotta pull the speakers out, clean up the surface, and get it ready for paint. Let's do this.
That's it.
Nice flat black. Again, the surface was pretty rough, so, and you know, a little glossy. So in order not to blind her, you know, just prep the surface and give it a coat of flat black paint. That way, hopefully, the glare is a lot less for her. So I was poking around under the car. You'll never guess what I found. Gotta order springs now. So the rear springs are broken. So I guess that means my hand is forced to go after some lowering springs, right? Let's see where the car sits right now, and I guess that might be an inch off. This is a quarter inch maybe off. Let's see how it sits. That's as high as it's supposed to sit. This is how it currently sits. Actually, that's not too bad, but let's get some proper lowering springs so the thing doesn't ride like crap. Let's check the other side, just out of curiosity. The front's not sitting too bad. I mean, for stock. And the rear, as we know, it is lower because those springs are broken. Spend some more money on this thing. Well, ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? Dang, son.